Are you out of gift ideas? Well, grab some paracord and make this Shark Jawbone Paracord Keychain. Right, so to do this, I have 2 cords. They're about 3 feet long each. I've done a cow's hitch at the bottom, and the 2 cords have gone down through the rifle clip at the top, like that. And then we just jump straight into the weave. So I start with the yellow. It goes down through the middle, like that. The black cord goes down through the middle and then up through that hole, like that. And then we just put it together, like that. And then we do it again. So yellow cord goes down through the middle, black cord down through the middle below this yellow one here, and back up through that hole. And you just keep going until you get to the end, and I'll show you what to do at the end. But if you're enjoying the video, if you found it really helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, so as you can see, it's getting a little bit tight down there. So I'm just going to use my fid. And just like the jig, you don't need a fid, but it really does help. And these came as a set of 3 with this knotters tool. I'll leave a link in the description down below as well. Right, so I've got to the end, and you can see the black one coming through there. That's good. Now this yellow one, just to tidy it up a little, I'm going to poke with the fid through that hole there. Like that, just to tidy it up. And now I'll snip and singe. Rub it in that side. And there you go, that's your Shark Jawbone Paracord Keychain. That's the front and that's the back. So there you go, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.